Earth looks so big to us. But it's not. Earth is really smaller than our sun, and it's really smaller than Jupiter and more stars. No star is smaller than the Earth, so Earth will be tiny. It's a dot. Now look at, we think stars, we think our sun is the biggest object in the solar system. But when we go far ahead, galaxies are bigger than stars. Galaxies are things where things are formed. Stars, nebulas, black holes and other things. Even planets. Well, the universe always gets big every time, so new ones began to form. Milky Way or galaxies are so small and they are funny too. See, look at this one. It's so long and not so fat. It looks like an eel. This is the Bode galaxy. It looks so funny too. It looks like an X. And this is Canis Major Dwarf galaxy, our closest galaxy to us. And this is the Milky Way galaxy. It's very real. Here's the solar system right here. And this is the sun. You can see more and you can't even see Earth here. They all have different names. These are called barrel spiral. Funny shape, a barrel spiral. These are called ellipticals. And these are called normal spirals. You think there are people more than anything, but there are stars more than anything, but there are galaxies more than people. There are millions of galaxies. One day we found a place where many galaxies are formed. It's a strange confluence too. It's found by the Hubble telescope. It has many galaxies, stars and planets in it. We call it the Ultra Deep Sphere because it has a lot of galaxies. Look at the Kuiper galaxy. It's powerful. But the fire don't go with Kuiper. Here's the Cygnus galaxy. And this is the farthest galaxy from our Milky Way. The farthest galaxy is called IOK1. This is called the Arp galaxy. One day, they made with two galaxies. Another galaxy crashed into it. Now it's gonna crash into it and make a bigger galaxy. Galaxies always move, so you don't know if our galaxy is gonna crash into another one. Maybe, maybe not. From far away, galaxies look so small. Here's the Hayek galaxy. The Hayek galaxy. You can't see it very much because it's far away from the Milky Way. This is the tadpole galaxy. Looks like a tadpole, so they name it. Here's the Sambolo galaxy. We see our sun. It's bigger than these: Quark, Sedna, Pluto, Eris, Mercury, Mars, Venus, Earth, Sirius B, Neptune, Uranus, Saturn, Jupiter, Dioid, Wolf, and Rising Star, North Star, Alpha, and Alpha Centauri B. Then comes the sun. We think our sun is the largest object in the whole wide universe. Look at this. Alpha Centauri A is bigger than the sun. Sirius is even bigger. Vega is even bigger. And Gaius is the even bigger. Then comes Spica, Pollux, Arcturus, Eddyweight, Antarctic, Rigel, Gaishuk, LBV 906, Dennis, Rapidbaba, Crystal Star, EDA Karen, Fedorus, Kasagati, Anaris, V282 Karen, V382 Karen, V838 Monsier, Spectagrees, Hexagonus, My Chappie, W Chappie, Volt Chappie, and VY Conus Maper, the biggest star known. Here are the closest stars to our solar system: Proxima Centauri, Ultra Centaurus, Barn Star, Ross 154 Uton, Sirius A and B, Larry 21185, Ross 248, Ellipson Andrew, Alcaia Hand. In the center of the Milky Way is a big black hole, not a star. And the black hole is even bigger than one of these stars.
The music of Canadian Megan Smith. That's in the next part of All Things Considered.
Here are some more stars that are near to us. Here's the sun right in the middle. Here's Proxima Centauri. Here's Sirius here. But there are more. Let's see.